What's up, guys? It's Dipan from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today, we're taking a look at TubeSift, the YouTube advertising tool that helps you build highly targeted YouTube audiences in minutes. Manually building target audiences for YouTube ad campaigns is a real pain. But with TubeSift, you can quickly build a massive list of hyper-targeted YouTube videos. To get started, type in your keyword or phrase. TubeSift's search results will instantly provide up to 300 monetized videos. In seconds, you'll know exactly where to plug in your ads. You can scrape all those links with a single click and compile them into a master list. Now, here's where things get really cool. That same keyword search feature for YouTube videos also works for YouTube channels and websites. This deal is the perfect way to target YouTube audiences, especially if you work in affiliate marketing or run an agency. Just click that Buy Now button to get your hands onto TubeSift. Alright, let me show you how to make everything from banners to display ads. But first, let's check out the keyword feature. Just click Keyword Ideas, add a base keyword, and TubeSift will auto-suggest relevant keywords, and you'll get loads of relevant videos and channels, too. You can also export the entire keyword list to run ads on YouTube and Google. From there, you can click Search Tips, and you'll get TubeSift's keyword guide for buyer keyword audience, pain point, and long-tail research, complete with training. Okay, now for the bread and butter, the Banner Design Studio. This bad boy is going to create every ad asset you'll ever need to crush it on YouTube. You can create everything, from companion banners to video thumbnails to display ads using images, graphic libraries, and text builders. And last but not least, meet the YouTube Video Extractor. With this feature, TubeSift can pull up the title, thumbnail, keyword tags, caption track, and top 50 words for any YouTube video. All you need is the URL. TubeSift is the ultimate tool for displaying YouTube ads to the right audience. And the best part is, you'll get free training and tutorials for every single feature. So hop on this lifetime deal while you still can. Just click that Buy Now button to start using TubeSift today.